Alright, it is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. The 23rd. It's been snowing all night. And the dogs are going out for the first time. Are you ready? Aspen, are you ready? He's ready. Alright. Godspeed, puppies. Oh, barely even get the door open. Oh, poor puppies. The room isn't doing much. This is ridiculous. What the mirror looks like. Oh, we got one back. He says, "The hell with this." I'm gonna have to get out and snow blow. And I have a feeling we're gonna have to get out and shovel off some of the patio so the puppies can do their thing. Pretty much all of this fell in a 12-hour period. You coming back? Struggle! Wait. Hi, Iggy. Come on, Bear, you can do it. Come on, Bear. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Go boy, Bear. Bet you're regretting going all the way out there, aren't you? Come on, oh, look at him. Look out, Egg. Come on, let him in. Go boy, Bear. Goodness. All right, bye.